Hello there, it's not morning, it's a pretty grey day outside. I'm starting today's adventure just outside Toronto in the city of Hamilton to do a little bit of waterfall hunting. The plan later is to get to Niagara Falls, so we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to be heading off to a place called the Albion Falls soon. We'll see it. I hope everyone's having a great day. Let's enjoy the adventure. First waterfall of the day, Albion Falls. Can't get too close to it because they have lots of safety barriers, but it looks pretty cool. And a short drive away, I get to another waterfall with a slightly easier lookout. Falkers Falls, we'll have a look. There it is. Pretty sweet waterfall. Pretty sweet view. Alright. Next stop on the road is a place called the Devil's Punch Bowl. Just doing a little walk into the place, give myself a stretch of the legs and save myself a bit of money on parking because it costs money to park there, whereas you can park like a half an hour walk away and not have to pay. So saving money where you can when you're traveling. So yeah, it's a nice little trail. We'll just keep walking and we'll get to some waterfalls. Should be sweet. Nice little trail across the bridge, walking in the woods. Amazing that you're in the city and you just find these spots just on the way. It's a bit steep. Up we go. Well, I made it to the Devil's Punch Bowl and it's kind of lacking water this time of year. Still a cool spot to look at, but I'm glad I didn't pay to see it because, well, there's no waterfall here really. We'll have a look. Oh. And you can see why it's called a punch bowl, but there's no water really. Oh well, still cool. And we're walking up towards where the upper falls should be. But I guess it's just that time of year, there's not much water, and so the falls are dry. Oh well, kind of cool to be walking in a dry riverbed. The view is pretty stunning. Sick! And oh my god, pretty insane that view. Incredible. Well, time's moved on a little bit. I'm now in the Niagara Falls city area. In a short moment, I'll be having a look at Niagara Falls, the waterfall. I'm so pumped, it's gonna be so cool. We'll see it soon. And there's one of them. Holy goodness. That is crazy. The mist is pretty stunning. And if we look to our right, oh my god. Gotta get a bit closer to that one. That's insane. It is an insane view. The water is blue. Lots of people around. But that waterfall, holy goodness. That is insane. Can't even see it with all that spray in there, it's nuts. Holy goodness. Spray is insane. Oh my. Niagara Falls, what an incredible place. And yeah, just today's a little adventure exploring waterfalls and stuff around the Toronto Hamilton area. It's really nice. Yeah, I hope everyone's enjoyed today's video. It's been short and sweet with some sick views. It's been really fun enjoying today's adventure. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, just give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate everyone who does because you're supporting my growth as a channel. And yeah, until the next time, until the next adventure, everyone's having a great day. Thanks for watching.